And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a signature with a transparent background. You can directly attach your graphic tablet, for example, and then use the calligraphy tool. Don't use these drawing tools. Instead, stick to the calligraphy, so the third one of these pen-like looking tools. I've made a video about this tool, so if you haven't used it before, just check my playlist and you will find it, and it will explain it in detail. If I create something, let's say rectangle, you can see we've got a transparent background. Let me delete this. Well, let's say you already have a signature. Let me import something. So this is a simple JPEG and the background is white. So when I drag this rectangle, this red one, behind it, you can see it. Make sure it's selected, go to Path and Trace Bitmap. You can play around with it, but for the most part the defaults are fine. Just click on OK. And then we've created a copy, but the copy is now a vector file. So on top we've got the image, and at the bottom we've got a transparent background. If I select it and activate the nodes tool, you can see we've got all of these nodes now, as it is a vector object. To keep the transparency, export it as a PNG file. Just set your folder right here under Export As, and then click on Export. Don't forget that. If you want to keep it as an SVG, so a vector file, just go to Save As and select SVG. And this is how you can create a signature with a transparent background in Inkscape. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.